Okay, in a previous video, we accepted the Github Classroom's assignment, and we got to our assignment with this URL. Now, if you have not accepted the assignment, go back and watch that video. This video will not make any sense until you accept the assignment. So once we've accepted the assignment, we can now clone it using VScode. I think this is the easiest and most straightforward way to get it done. What you want to do is go down here to the bottom left corner of VScode and sign in. I'm already signed in, so I'm going to sign out and walk you through it. So let's go ahead and sign in. And I'm going to sign in with GitHub. It's going to ask me to authorize, hit continue. Open, it's already open. Okay, now that I am signed in, you can see I'm signed in. Now I want to go ahead and click on the Explorer here, and you can see where I don't have anything open. So I want to clone a repository. And we should have a little button here that says clone from GitHub, assuming that you're all signed in. So I want to clone from GitHub, and it should pull up all the repositories that you have access to. Now I have a whole bunch, so you may not have this many. Now this is where their URL comes in handy. So if I look over here, this right here is the important part that we can search for. So if I go over here and I say lessonO2 solution chain P, and you can see that it came up right there. Now, if it doesn't come up for whatever reason, what you can do is do the whole URL. So the whole URL would be this chain P CS2 / lessonO2 solution chain P, right? Which corresponds to everything after github.com up here. So basically this whole thing is a unique string that identifies your repository. So we can actually just copy that, and we can actually go here, and you can see it highlights it right there. So if we click that, it should pop up a window and ask you where you want to put stuff. I typically put everything in repos. Now, how you organize your stuff, that's up to you. Let's just actually create a new folder in repos. And well, actually inside Shane, I'll put this my class. And you can do that whatever you want. That's up to you. And so I'm inside my home drive, inside my class, and then I'm going to say select repository location. And you'll see it should pop a window down here in the lower right-hand corner. And eventually it should say open. Now, if for some reason this does not pop up, or maybe you accidentally close it, that's where you can just, you can manually open it based on where you saved it. So hit open, and it should open up everything and allow you to start working. So in this case, there's just one file, and we can go in here, we can start to work. And that is all you need to do. Happy